above the sky, your soft laughter drifting by. In the quiet midnight air, I feel your presence everywhere. Your eyes glow like shining stars, guiding me from near and far. Every step we slowly take feels like love we cannot fake. The night is ours, the world is still. Two hearts moving by their will. We're dancing under your moonlight, shadows moving soft and slow. Every moment feels so right in this gentle silver glow. We're dancing under your moonlight. Time is fading out of sight. All I need is you tonight, dancing in your moonlight. Soft wind whispers through your hair, magic floating in the air. Your hand resting close to mine feels like fate in perfect time. Music plays without a sound, yet our hearts keep spinning round. Every breath, every glance pulls me deeper in this dance. The stars above begin to shine, like they know your heart is mine. We're dancing under your moonlight, shadows moving soft and slow. Every moment feels so right in this gentle silver glow. We're dancing under your moonlight. Time is fading out of sight. All I need is you tonight, dancing in your moonlight. If the night should fade away, still our love will always stay, like a song the stars will play till another moonlit day. Silver moon above the sky, your soft laughter drifting by. In the quiet midnight air, I feel your presence everywhere. Your eyes glow like shining stars, guiding me from near and far. Every step we slowly take feels like love we cannot fake. The night is ours, the world is still. Two hearts moving by their will. We're dancing under your moonlight, shadows moving soft and slow. Every moment feels so right in this gentle silver glow. We're dancing under your moonlight. Time is fading out of sight. All I need is you tonight, dancing in your moonlight. Soft wind whispers through your hair, magic floating in the air. Your hand resting close to mine feels like fate in perfect time. Music plays without a sound, yet our hearts keep spinning round. Every breath, every glance pulls me deeper in this dance. The stars above begin to shine, like they know your heart is mine. We're dancing under your moonlight, shadows moving soft and slow. Every moment feels so right in this gentle silver glow. We're dancing under your moonlight. Time is fading out of sight. All I need is you tonight, dancing in your moonlight. If the night should fade away, still our love will always stay, like a song the stars will play, till another moonlit day.
The night was quiet when you came, like a spark inside a flame. Every moment felt brand new when my world discovered you.
Your smile lit the darkest sky, like a dream I can't deny. Every step that led me here brought your love so near.
In your eyes I see the truth. All my roads lead back to you. For Time may pass and seasons change, yet this love will still remain. Every whisper of your name warms my heart like gentle flame. When your hand is holding mine, every star begins to shine. In your arms I finally see where I'm meant to be. Every road I walked alone led me to this love I've known. Forever starts with you tonight. Two hearts shining in the light. Every promise, every dream flows just like a silver stream. Forever starts with you and me, where our love is meant to be. Through the storm and through the blue, my forever starts with you. If the world should fade away, still our love will find its way. Like a song the stars once knew, every note belongs to you. Forever starts with you tonight. Every star is burning bright. Every hope I ever knew leads me here with you. Forever starts with you and me. Eternity in eternity. Through the darkness we shine through. My forever starts with you.
The night is quiet, the lights are low. Your gentle touch begins to glow. 1,000 thoughts inside my mind, but peace is all I seem to find. Your eyes are shining like the moon, a silver light inside this room. Every second feels so right, just you and me in this soft night. Oh, don't say a word, just stay right here. Your heartbeat's all I want to hear. Hold me until sunrise. Don't let this moment fade away. Wrapped inside your arms tonight is where I wanna stay. Hold me until that is far away, like every worry lost today. You're breathing softly next to mine, feels like a perfect lullaby. Your smile warms the silent air, a simple love beyond compare. If time could pause for just a while, I'd live forever in your smile. Oh, don't say goodbye, just stay with me. This love is where I want to be. Hold me until sunrise, don't let this moment fade away. Wrapped inside your arms tonight is where I want to stay. Hold me until sunrise, let the morning find us slow. Through the dark and through the light, our love will softly glow. If tomorrow brings the day, promise you won't drift away. Let the dawn see what we are, two hearts shining like a star. Hold me until sunrise, let the golden morning start. Even when the daylight comes, you'll still be in my heart. Hold me until sunrise, stay with me and don't let go. Through the night and through the dawn, our endless love will grow. The city sleeps beneath the light, a quiet glow fills up the night. Soft piano starts to play as all our worries drift away. Your eyes reflect the silver moon, a gentle rhythm in this room. Every heartbeat feels so new, every dream begins with you. The music moves so tenderly, just you, the night and me. Midnight kisses, slow melodies, swaying gently with the breeze. In your arms the world feels right, dancing softly through the night. Midnight kisses, hearts so free, lost inside this harmony. Every note of love we find, your the saxophone begins to cry, like whispered love beneath the sky. Your laughter floats across the air, a simple magic everywhere. Your hand resting close to mine feels like fate and perfect time. Every moment that we share is a love beyond compare. The music plays so quietly, like a secret symphony. Midnight kisses, slow melodies, swaying gently with the breeze. In your arms the world feels right, dancing softly through the night. Midnight kisses, hearts so free, lost inside this harmony. Every note of love we find, your sweetheart next to mine. If the night should fade away, still our song will softly stay, like a dream we can erase, like your warm and sweet embrace. Slow melodies, flowing like a quiet sea. In your love I drift away, wishing night would always stay. Midnight kisses, shining bright underneath the velvet night. Every song will always bear endless melody.
The lights are low, the night is calm. I feel the warmth inside your arms. A gentle song begins to play as all our worries fade away. Your eyes reflect the candlelight, like stars that shine in silent night. Every moment feels so true, every dream begins with you. No
no need to speak. Your heart is everything I seek. Slow dancing in your arms tonight. Everything just feels so right. Every step, every move, like a dream that's coming true. Slow dancing in your arms, so tight, lost beneath the silver light. Every heartbeat softly sways in this love we can't replace. The saxophone begins to cry, like whispered love beneath the sky. Your laughter floats so warm and clear, the sweetest sound I want to hear. Your hand resting close to mine feels like fate and perfect time. If the night could always stay, we would never drift away. Just one look into your eyes feels like paradise. Slow dancing in your arms tonight. Everything just feels so right. Every step, every move, like a dream that's coming true. Slow dancing in your arms, so tight, lost beneath the silver light. Every heartbeat softly sways in this love we can't replace. If the morning sun appears and the daylight slowly clears, still our love will gently stay, like a song that won't fade away. Slow dancing in your arms tonight, hearts together shining bright. Every dream I've ever known leads me back to you. Slow dancing in your arms, so tight, holding on until the light. In this love we'll always stay. Forever this way.
slow. A gentle wind begins to blow. Your shadow softly next to mine feels like a perfect place in time. The quiet night surrounds our hearts, a peaceful world where love can start. No rush in time, no distant sound, just you and me right now. No words are needed in this life, just stay with me tonight. Stay close in the quiet night, where our hearts begin to fly. In the calm and silver sky, love is shining in your eyes. Stay close in the quiet night, let the world just pass us by. Every dream feels so alive when your heart is next to mine. Soft music drifting through the air, your gentle smile everywhere. The rhythm of your breathing slow feels like a song I've always known. The moonlight paints your silhouette, a moment I'll never forget. If time could pause right here tonight, I'd hold this feeling tight. No need to run, no need to hide, just stay here by my side. Stay close in the quiet night, where our hearts begin to fly. In the calm and silver sky, love is shining in your eyes. Stay close in the quiet night, let the world just pass us by. Every dream feels so alive when your heart is next to mine. If the morning sun appears and the daylight slowly clears, still this love will softly stay, like a song that will not fade. Stay close in the quiet night, where our love begins to rise. Every star above will shine for this heart of yours and mine. Stay close in the quiet night, hold me gently till the light. Even when the dawn arrives, our love will still survive.
In the quiet of the evening glow, your shadow dances soft and slow. The city fades, the lights grow dim, but all I see is you again. Your voice is like a velvet song, a place where lonely hearts belong. Every word you softly say carries my heart far away. In the whispers of your love tonight, I feel the stars begin to shine. Hold me close and don't let go. Let this gentle feeling grow. Every heartbeat finds a spark inside a flame. In the silence from above, I hear the whispers of your love. A saxophone begins to cry, like moonlight drifting through the sky. Your hand resting next to mine feels like fate and perfect time. No need for words, no need to speak. Your tender eyes say everything. In this moment soft and true, my whole world begins with you. In the whispers of your love tonight, I feel the stars begin to shine. Hold me close and don't let go. Let this gentle feeling grow. Every heartbeat finds your name, like a spark inside a flame. In the silence from above, I hear the whispers of your love. If this dream should fade away, still your memory will stay, like a melody so sweet, playing softly in my dreams. In the whispers of your love tonight, everything feels warm and bright. Stay with me until the dawn. Let this endless song live on. Every heartbeat calls your name. Forever we will feel the same. Through the night and stars above, I live inside your love. The evening falls so quietly, a gentle breeze through memory. Your smile lights the fading sky, like the stars beginning to rise. Every step you take with me feels like where I'm meant to be. No need for words we leave unsaid. Your love speaks instead. night grows deep, but I don't care, as long as I can feel you there. Your laughter echoes soft and clear, like music drifting in my ear. Every glance you give to me, it feels like pure serenity. If the world should fade away, still your love would stay. When your eyes meet mine tonight, everything feels so right. With your heart next to mine, every moment feels like time. Standing still in your embrace, I have found my perfect place. With your heart next to mine, every dream begins to shine. In your arms I feel so free, just your love and me.
I was walking through the dark alone, searching for a place called home. Every road felt cold and long, until your love came along. Your smile lit the empty sky, like the sunrise in my life. Every heartbeat starts to roam when I feel your love. Every time you hold me near, all my doubts just disappear. Your love feels like home tonight, like a fire burning bright. In your arms I finally know where my wandering heart should go. Your love feels like home to me, like the calm across the sea. Every dream I've ever known lives inside your love. Ooh. Every word you softly say chases all my fears away. In your eyes I clearly see everything I wanna be. When your hand is next to mine, every star begins to shine. All the roads I used to roam lead me back to you. Every moment by your side feels like love I cannot hide. Your love feels like home tonight, like a fire burning bright. In your arms I finally know where my wandering heart should go. Your love feels like home to me, like the calm across the sea. Every dream I've ever known lives inside. If tomorrow's storms appear
I will never feel the fear. With your heart so close to mine, everything will be alright. Your love feels like home tonight, like the stars that shine.